Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing some new product from Bose, which is one of my personal favorite brands for headphones or a speaker. I have the new Soundlink Flex with me, and we're going to be unboxing this and testing this out. Let's just pull the tab. Okay, it's really cool. Let's open it. Okay. Wow, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, I got the color. What is this color called? Is there a name? It's what it looks like. It's so pretty. In the box, there's also instructions and a manual. Yeah. A cable to charge it, I'm guessing. So in the manual, what does it say? To download the Bose Connect app. To charge your speaker, it uses USB-C. And it just shows you how to connect and everything. Take it off the plastic first. Look at how pretty this color is. Oh my god. It smells weird. Alright, hold on. I'm using my dad's phone for this. So we have the Bose Connect app. Oh god. Bose Connect app, as you can see. So first you have to turn it on. Turn it on. I'm guessing you long press it. It does not have battery. So let me go charge it for a bit because it does not have any battery in it. Okay, so there's some battery in it now. We can test it. Okay, it can stand, by the way. It also, you can swim with it. It can float in the water and it's waterproof, definitely. And if you drop this, it won't really break. Okay, so you open the Bose app. So you turn your device on, and when you open the app, it will automatically connect. So you have to drag to connect, and it's connecting. Yeah. So first it says to pair your product, which is you go to your settings and then Bluetooth, and just find your device name, which is Bose Soundlink Flex. So you can see that, and I just select it and boom, it's connected. That's all you have to do. It's really easy, but through the app there are a few things you can do. Okay, so you can give your speaker a nickname, but I'll do that later. Here, you can take the tour, so it gives you a little tour about the thing. So firstly, the speaker is portable. As you can see, there's this thing, so you can attach it to anything. So for the battery, if this light, there's a light here. If it's fully white, means it's fully charged. And to play and pause your music is the middle button, these 3 dots. To skip songs, you press the 3 dots twice, and you press this thrice for the previous song. And to answer or end a call, you can also press the middle button. To ask Siri questions, you can press and hold this button. To change the volume is pretty obvious. This is to increase and this is to decrease. To pair to devices is obviously the Bluetooth symbol. Just press it to switch between devices. Okay, if the Bluetooth light is blue, it means it's ready to connect. If it's blinking white, connecting, and if it's solid white, means it's connected to your device. So it's pretty simple, just like a normal speaker. So this is what you get on the home screen. Let's play a song, shall we? Wait, we're gonna get copyright. I mean, I'm not really affiliated on YouTube, so I'm just gonna play a song. Love Dive by IVE. This little thing is doing that.
Yeah, 네가 참 궁금해. 그건 너도 마찬가지. 눈동자.
Oh. So this little thing is producing that. It's really, really good.
Have you got color in your cheeks? If the type that sticks around like summer in your teeth. Out of some aces up your sleeve. Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep?
Soundlink Flex with this Bose that I've had since 2017. This is the Bose Color Soundlink. So I'm gonna compare the sound system to the newer one that I just got. Okay, this is Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis.
If you're mine, don't you know you might find a better place to play? Revolution from my brain, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime, and so Sally can wait.
This is for maximum volume.
But don't look back in anger. I heard you say.
In conclusion, of course, the Soundlink Flex is definitely better and upgraded based on looks, design, and portability. Is that a word? That's okay. Yeah, as you can see, the color is very, very nice. This is a pastel color. The colors for the previous speakers were very, very vibrant compared to this. It's more sleek and elegant and more of a, you could say, it looks expensive. It is, but it looks expensive. This just looks like swag, you know? Of course, this was a really long time ago, but this is definitely so much better based on design. And like I said, the design, the color, the portability, if that's a word, it's so amazing, and have zero regrets getting this. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10. I don't find any issues with it, and it's really waterproof too. It's the best part. So thank you guys so much for watching my review and unboxing and comparison. I hope it helped you a bit. Feel free to ask questions or anything down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I hope this helped you.